Have you ever thought to yourself, what if my car could see? After Earth Arcade. The goal was simple: take a completely analog machine and give it a digital nervous system. We embody the car with a headless AI brain capable of hearing, seeing, and feeling the world around it. The original plan was to build the visual cortex with a wireless ESP32 microcontroller. Because they're cheap, they're compact, they're easy to hide, and I just had it lying around. Unfortunately, this microcontroller did not want to cooperate. I'm pretty sure it was dead on arrival. It was completely refusing to talk to the brain. We needed a backup plan. A standard USB webcam isn't exactly stealthy, but it's bulletproof. Plus, it has a built-in ring light. The USB goes straight into the Pi, no wireless lag, no dropping frames, just direct high bandwidth pipeline right into the car's brain. This is when I hit an unexpected pitfall. The Pi is connected to my phone's hotspot. Due to this, the network has locked us out. I fired up my phone's hotspot to SSH into the Pi, but Android has a built-in security system that isolates devices. The Pi was connected to the network, but the phone was acting like a firewall. My computer couldn't even see it. With the wireless door locked, I decided to hardwire it. I ran an Ethernet cable directly from the PC to the Pi, and this forced a local bridge. Except the Pi kept trying to prioritize the Wi-Fi anyways. So I plugged the keyboard straight into the board, opened the terminal, and killed the Wi-Fi. With the wireless signal finally dead, it had no choice but to use the Ethernet cable. We were finally in. With the network lock cracked, I wrote a quick Python script to wake up the camera drivers. We just had to tell the code to skip the first 20 frames before taking a picture. This gives the sensors a second to adjust to the darkroom. I fired the script and the camera woke up, saving its first image to the Pi's hard drive. DD just unlocked their first memory. To actually look at it, I didn't bother setting up a web server. I just used a secure copy command in the terminal to pull the file right across the Ethernet cable. With the visual cortex officially online, the car can see. We have a ways to go before we actually add its intelligence. I think the next step is to give it the ability to hear. Next time, we're giving it ears.